guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this retro sticker text effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to add in like a background randomly, and I'm just going to type in orange. Go to font and use any font that you want, of course, but I'm going to try to find a retro one. They have this like canvas one, which is very retro in my opinion. And I'm going to select like an orange color. Then I'm going to add in a stroke. I'm going to set it at 25%. Change the color of that one. Copy and paste, select this one. Go back to stroke, set it to 50%. Add a darker color. Copy and paste that. Oops. Go to 75%. And add an even darker color. You can add in another one, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this because I don't have space. So I'm going to select everything, like the text only. Right click, create compound clip. Go to effects, scroll down until you find the texture one. And you're just going to grab the old one and as well as the fold ones as well. And the print one if you want to. Just going to adjust the texture a little bit. And that is pretty much it. You can add in some animations if you want, but I think just like still like this looks the most natural because it gives that sticker effect, as you can see. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!